Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to draw in OneNote. Whether you're sketching out ideas, annotating documents, or simply expressing your creativity, OneNote's drawing tools make it incredibly easy to add a personal touch to your notes. Let's dive right in and get you drawing in no time. First, you'll want to start by opening your Microsoft OneNote app on your device. Once the app launches, load into your notebook. This is where all your notes are organized, so make sure you're accessing the right notebook for your current project or task. Give it a moment to fully load, especially if you have a lot of content stored in there. Once your notebook has been loaded, the process to draw in OneNote is pretty straightforward. Select the specific notebook or page where you wish to draw. This is important because you want to ensure you're working on the correct page and not accidentally drawing on something else. Navigate through your sections and pages until you found exactly where you want to add your drawings. Now here's where the magic happens. Once you've accessed the correct page, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a double arrow button which represents your full page view option. Click on this button to enter full page view. This function works more like a page focus mode, which is incredibly useful because it removes distractions and lets you concentrate solely on the page you're working on. Once you're in full page view, you'll notice that the pens are readily available at the top part of your screen. This is where you can start drawing. The interface is designed to give you ease of access to several tools and functions, all neatly organized so you don't have to hunt around for what you need. You'll see various pen options, colors, and drawing tools that let you customize your sketches exactly how you want them. The beauty of this full page view is that all the needed tools are visually available right there at your fingertips. You can switch between different pen types, adjust thickness, change colors, and even use highlighting tools without having to navigate away from your drawing canvas. This makes the entire drawing experience smooth and intuitive, allowing you to focus on being creative rather than fumbling through menus. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to draw in OneNote using the full page view feature. This simple but powerful tool transforms your notes into a dynamic workspace where you can express ideas visually with complete freedom. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.